You're going to lay on your bed at home, and you're going to get your body as far onto the bed as possible so that you're not working this leg hard to keep from falling off. You're just kind of relaxed on the bed like this. Again, you might have a pillow here and something underneath your other ankle. And this leg is just hanging off, knee bent, just mostly relaxed, right? Now, if you have any pinching in the low back with this, then come all the way down flat, like this. If that still pinches in the low back or causes pain, you can slide this leg out a little bit. But if possible, get the leg up high and start out on your elbows. Again, if there's any pinching, you just lay flat. Now, as you do this over time, as instructed by me or the therapist at Carter Physiotherapy, we might also want you to come up to your hands, but making sure that as you do that, you're not lifting your whole pelvis. The pelvis still needs to be down on the mat for this to work. But again, you're avoiding any pinching back here. And what we're doing is we're lengthening in a very relaxed manner the psoas on the side that's up. So this is really important to know. A lot of people doing this stretch won't feel a stretch and they'll think this isn't doing anything. But actually, the point of this is that we lengthen the muscle in a very relaxed state. So that's, in that way, it's different than what you'll see some people do, which is hanging the leg off, right? But then if there's a pain or a problem, the muscle is having to contract to keep the leg from falling further down, which is not what we want. We want it to be in a really relaxed state to really truly lengthen in a comfortable manner. Another one you'll often see people do for this muscle, and I'm not saying this is a bad thing to do, not a good thing to do before working out, but if you're really trying to get a true lengthening of the tissues that last, then doing something like this where the muscle you're stretching is going to be contracting in order to keep you from going into the splits is not the best way to do so. This is more of a stretch that you would do in order to just warm up the tissues before a workout. Okay, so that is the psoas hip flexor muscle self-release technique, followed by the relaxed scissor stretch lengthening of the psoas.